Alright, Sunbum, I'm going to show you how to wire up your heated grips. This fine drawing right here, these are your grips. These are handlebars, if you can't tell. You're going to have a positive and negative coming out of each grip. These are buck transformers. These are going to do 12 volts to 9 volts and 6 volts. You don't have to do 9 and 6. You could do a straight 12 volt to these, or you could do a 5 and a 10, whatever you could find. I went with 6 and 9. I did some testing, and 6 for the low seems to be perfect. 9 volts for the high seems to be perfect. What you want to do is hook the positive from each one of these to the positive from each one of these. So all 4 positives are going to go together. All 4 negatives are going to go together. Then coming out of your buck transformer, going into your buck transformers, is coming from the switch. So the middle of your switch is your 12 volt accessory. If I remember right, when you press the switch up, you can have it set either way, but on the picture I can't see my switch. It's on the side now. I might have this backwards. If you press it up, it should be on high, which you would have going to your 9 volt buck transformer. When you press it down, you have it go to your 6 volt buck transformer. So all you're doing is controlling the power to which buck transformer you're using. All 4 of these positives and negatives are going to go together. You're going to ground this to the chassis. And where I found the 12 volt accessory was, there's a YouTube video I'll link in the description, it's brown with a pink stripe. Make sure you put a fuse on it. I would do at least a 6 amp. I'll have links to these in the description. These say they draw 6 amps. I would probably do something. I would probably put like a 10 amp on it and run it in 16 gauge wire or 14 gauge wire. But that's all you need to do. You're just controlling the power going to these buck transformers, and all 4 of these wires hooked together. Positive, 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 positive. Once you connect all these together, so you can just switch these back and forth is all you're doing. I'll have a link to the buck transformers I used in the description. If you have any questions, let me know.